How to join Zoom meeting on PC or laptop. So if you want to join Zoom meetings on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you need to install the application. So you can go with your Microsoft Store or you can go with your browser and you can search for Zoom and you'll be able to download the Zoom. Once you've downloaded your Zoom, you need to open up your Zoom application. Once you open your Zoom application, you need to log into your account, or if you don't have your account, you need to create one. After creating, make sure that you've signed in. Unless you've signed in, if you want to join a Zoom meeting, then you can just simply click on join, which is right here. And once you click on it, it will ask you to enter the meeting ID or your personal link name. You can also go with drop down and then just go and select your meeting ID, or you need to enter the ID in which you would like to join, and then enter the name. Or if you don't want to connect the audio, you can just simply click on it. And if you want to turn off your video, you need to click on turn off my video. And once you've done, you need to click on join and you'll be able to join a meeting. Or if you want to start a meeting, then you need to click on new meeting and you'll be able to start a new meeting. In this way, you'll be able to join Zoom meeting on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.